Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from Inshort. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Here you can see that watermark is appearing in this video, so I will tell you how you can remove this watermark. First of all, you have to click on the cross icon above this WaterMark. Here you have to click on the cross icon above your watermark. After that, you have to click on Free Remove Watermark. When you click on it, here you have to wait for 5 to 6 seconds. Now here you can see the watermark which has been removed. In this way you can remove watermark from any of your videos inside Inshort. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.